Welcome, kids. How are you today? I hope you're fine. This is our English class online, okay? I am your teacher, Teacher Glean. Our lesson is a continuation of English alphabets. Let's review our lesson last week, okay? Big letter E, small letter E is for elephant. Elephant. Again, big letter E, small letter E is for elephant. Elephant. How about our chant last week? Let's review as well. What can you see? What can you see? I can see an elephant looking at me. Again, what can you see? What can you see? I can see an elephant looking at me. Okay, that's our lesson last week. Okay, let's also review the words we have learned last week. An ear. What is it? It's an ear. An eagle. An eagle. What is it? It's an eagle. More words. An eel. What is it? It's an eel. An egg. An egg. What is it? It's an egg. Okay? I hope you get it. Today, we will learn a new lesson, okay? The letter F. What is the sound of letter F? So we will study today, okay? Big letter F. Small letter F is for fish. Fish. Okay, so this is a fish, okay? Okay, let's repeat. Big letter F. Small letter F is for fish. Fish. Okay, I know you get it. Let's learn our English chant today. Okay? Fish, fish, fish. All in a dish. All in a dish. Who will eat? Who will eat my beautiful fish? Okay, let's repeat so that you can get it. Fish, fish, fish. All in a dish. Who will eat my beautiful fish? One more time. Fish, fish, fish. All in a dish. Who will eat my beautiful fish? Okay. Now let's also learn new words starting with the letter F. A fan. F-A-N. Fan. What is it? It's a fan. Number 2, a flag. F-L-A-G. Flag. Okay, look at the picture. This is a flag. Okay. What is it? It's a flag. It's a flag. Number 3, a flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. A flower. What is it? It's a flower. Okay. Let's repeat again so that you can get it, okay? A fan. What is it? It's a fan. A flag. What is it? It's a flag. A flower. What is it? It's a flower. Okay, let's have more words, okay? A fox. F-O-X. A fox. Okay, look at the picture. What is it? It's a fox. Number 4, a fridge. F-R-I-D-G-E. A fridge. What is it? It's a fridge. Number 5, a frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. What is it? It's a frog. It's a frog. Again, please. A fox. What is it? It's a fox. A fridge. What is it? It's a fridge. A frog. What is it? It's a frog. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for listening and watching this video. See you again. Bye-bye.